Pav Bhaji is a street food dish from India, consisting of a thick vegetable curry, called bhaji, served with a soft bread roll, called pav. It originated in the city of Mumbai. The dish originated as a fast lunchtime dish, for textile mill workers in Mumbai. Pav Bhaji was later served at restaurants, throughout the city. Pav Bhaji is now offered at outlets from simple hand carts, to formal restaurants in India and abroad. Pav Bhaji is a spiced mixture of mashed vegetables in a thick gravy served with bread. Vegetables in the curry may commonly include potatoes, onions, carrots, chilies, peas, bell peppers and tomatoes. Street sellers usually cook the curry on a flat griddle, called tawa, and serve the dish hot. A soft white bread roll is the usual accompaniment to the curry, but this does not preclude the use of other bread varieties, such as chapati, roti or brown bread. There is varieties of Pav Bhaji. Cheese Pav Bhaji, with cheese on top of the bhaji. Fried Pav Bhaji, with the pav tossed in the bhaji. Paneer Pav Bhaji, with paneer cheese in the bhaji. Mushroom Pav Bhaji, with mushrooms in the bhaji. Kada Pav Bhaji, in which vegetables are in chunks rather than mashed. Jain Pav Bhaji, without onions and garlic and with plantains instead of potatoes. Kolhapuri Pav Bhaji, using a spice mix common in Kolhapur.